This is Chicago's very own WGN Midday News.
On Wednesday, the jury delivered a mixed verdict in the federal corruption trial of former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan.
He was found guilty of bribery, but not racketeering. WGN's Eric Rung has more on that story that first broke here on our Midday News yesterday.
The jury reaching its mixed verdict after 16 weeks of testimony and 60 hours of deliberations. A longtime fixture in Illinois politics, Michael Madigan now has the new title of convicted felon.
How are you feeling, Mr. Madigan?
How are you?
I'm doing very well.
You're the one we're concerned about.
The 82-year-old man of few and guarded words is now facing decades in prison.
Michael Madigan, who stood at the very top of Illinois state government, stands convicted of 10 counts of bribery and corruption.
But prosecutors didn't get everything they wanted, the jury finding Madigan not guilty on 7 counts, including another bribery charge, and not guilty when it comes to Madigan's attempted extortion charge. The jury was deadlocked on 6 other counts, most significantly the overarching count of racketeering. Regardless, prosecutors declared victory.
Bribery, whether it's the old-fashioned cash stuffed in an envelope or the more refined version practiced by Madigan, is still illegal, it's still corrupt, and it's still against the law.
The verdict comes after months of testimony that included hearing from Madigan himself, who tried to explain away hours of secretly recorded conversations between him and former Chicago Alderman Danny Solis, who came into the trial with his own legal problems and personal baggage. For Republicans, the conviction just confirms what they've been saying for years.
That Mike Madigan's empire of corruption has gone from the bottom part of Illinois all the way through Cook County. And this just is a great example of how now finally, after over 4 decades of being in charge, he's finally being held accountable.
Some of the most damaging testimony centered around no-show jobs at ComEd for Madigan Associates and the favorable ComEd legislation passed in Springfield. Madigan's co-defendant and former ComEd lobbyist Michael McLean, who was convicted in a 2023 corruption trial, walked out of the courtroom yesterday with no additional criminal convictions. The jury deadlocking on all 6 corruption charges.
Mike never intended to break the law, and somebody or somebody's on that jury got it.
A sentencing date for Michael Madigan has yet to be set, and while he could get more than 20 years in prison, most attorneys familiar with the federal legal system believe he will get much less than that. We are in the newsroom. I'm Eric Rung, WGN News.